Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Google account name. So now what we're going to do is to go to your Google browser. And then right here at the top, just tap on that. Now what we're going to do is to tap on Google account. It will then direct you here. So now what we're going to do is to tap on personal info. And then right here on personal info, you can see your name. Just tap on that. Now right here you can see your name and then your nickname. To change your name, just tap on this pen icon. You can also add a nickname if you want. Now enter the name that you want. After that, just tap on save. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.